Hey, greetings and welcome. This is Lakeisha Hankins from LakeishaHankins.com. I'm also the founder of Unleashed Living Academy. I'm super excited to be able to share this success kit with you. And I don't believe in coincidences. So if you're here, I believe it's because you are ready. You're at that point of your life where you're ready to unleash your best life. Right? Maybe you have some goals or some dreams that you're ready to, make happen, that you want to see those visions begin to manifest in your life. And I'm here with you to share with you some simple yet practical steps to unleashing your best life and doing just that. And it all starts, by doing what successful people do, and that's with having a morning ritual. And I can tell you, before I had a ritual, or when I'm not being consistent in following that morning ritual, it definitely makes a difference. So having one can ultimately change your life, transform your life from the inside out. And majority of all the successful people that I know have one. And as you begin to practice this morning ritual and implement it into your life where it becomes a habit, you will notice that your energy begins to shift. The key is being consistent and making this a non-negotiable part of your day. So whether it's just a morning ritual or you have what I call a power down at night, I challenge you to at least do it for 10 days and let me know how it's going for you. If you notice a difference in your life, if you notice, just a difference in your energy, even people around you might begin to be able to, see that shift as well. And also, along with this download in this success guide, you'll have my step-by-step workbook for planning your best year ever, right? So regardless of where you're at with your goals, it's all about helping you plan your goals and making sure they are in alignment with who you are and what it is that you say that you want. And this planner covers understanding your why and visits your short-term and your long-term goals, whether it's in relation to your business or your life vision, right? And helps you begin to break those down in actually doable steps, because a lot of times we know what it is that we want, but we don't do the necessary work to make it happen. So it's all about, getting those visions out of your head onto paper and taking this planner and, seeing those goals on paper, breaking down those goals and seeing that it's actually doable, right? Making sure that it's realistic as well. Okay, so because life happens. Let's just face it, life happens. But you're looking at a mom here, a mom of 4 beautiful girls who, regardless where life happened, I never gave up. And I want the same for you, right? To be able to, figure out what it is that excites you about life, what your purpose is, and be able to live intentionally and do things that are in alignment with who you are and what it is that you want, not who others think that you should be. Okay, so it's very important that we get clear and begin to walk in our purpose and our power. So this success kit is all about that. And you'll also get access to my 3-day video training series, and this is great for that passionpreneur, that mom out there, or, mompreneur, wherever you might be in your journey. And in this series, this 3-day series, I pinpoint for you the necessary tools and resources to help you unleash your passionate business. So we talk about everything from, clarity in your business, having a, business plan, everything from client attraction to sales funnels and leveraging your time, money, and expertise, right? So much, right? And I know I say right just a lot, so bear with me, sis. But this success kit is very essential to your success, because what I find is a lot of times we want the blueprint, but it's a lot of mindset and work and being a part of this industry of entrepreneurship, right? It is not a walk in the park. It has its good days, it has its bad days, but it's all about being in the right mindset, and you have to have the right mindset in order to hit whatever it is, income goal or your 5-year plan. You got to be able to, stay in the game and not wear your emotions on your sleeves, all those different things. And when life happens, be able to have a plan or a system in place so that you don't put those dreams on the back burner. So if you are ready to unleash your best life, begin to experience joy, freedom, and success in all areas of your life. And I'm not just talking about entrepreneurship, because a lot of people who, know me from, helping others to be able to build their business. But on a deeper level, as I evolve, my circle is evolving as well too. So in order to be successful, it means being successful in other areas of your life, whether that's, relationships, your career, your social life, your wellness, all those different things. So I'm super excited about you going out there after your goals and your dreams, and want to be able to empower you and help you in the best way, because I know what it is and how, it can be by, trial and error. So that is it. I'm signing off. Go ahead and click the button below and get your Unleash Success kit, and I'll see you on the inside.